Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavathi Assistant Professor from AIDS Department. Our subject code CRA332, subject title Drone Technologies, Unit-2. Topic name is Technical Characteristics of the Parts. Here are the technical characteristics of the main drone parts covering specification that affect performance, efficiency and capabilities. Already we discussed about main drone parts. In main drone parts we discuss about 15 parts, that all 15 parts comes under the technical characteristics of the main drone parts. Here we discuss about very few points. The first one is frame, then material carbon fiber, aluminium, plastic, then weight ranges from 50 g to 300 g, that is 50 gram to 300 gram for small to mid-size drones. Then size measured in millimeter between motor mounts, example 250 mm, then 450 mm. The durability must withstand impact and resist bending. Then type quadcopter, hexacopter and octocopter configuration. Then arm length affects stability and agility during flight. Second one is motor. Type brushless motors, that is most common, or brushed, less efficient. Voltage compatibility, typically 3S, that is 11.1 volt, then 4S, that is 14.8 volt, or 6S, that is 22.2 volt batteries. Power output 100 W to 2000 W per motor for high performance drones. Then propellers diameter measured in inches ranging from 3 to 10 or more. Larger propellers generate more lift but reduce agility. Then smaller propellers offer faster acceleration and maneuverability. Then fourth one is electronic speed controllers. Current rating measured in amps, example 20 ampere, 30 ampere, then 40 ampere. Higher ampere rating supports more powerful motors. Then voltage rating typically supports 2S to 6X LIBO batteries, that is 7.4 volt to 22.2 volt. Protocol support DSOT, BWM, one-shot or multi-shot protocols for motor communication. Then BEC, that is battery elimination circuit, optional, supplies power to the flight controller and other systems. Example 5 volt output. Then fifth one is flight controller processor, ARM based microcontroller, example STM32 series. Then faster processors enable smoother flight and more complex tasks. Then sensors, gyroscope, that is 6 axis accelerometer, barometer, then altimeter, magnetometer, compass, then GPS and IMU, inertial measurement unit. Firmware, that is run software like Betaflight, then Autopilot or INAV. Then ports multiple UART, I2C and BWM ports for connecting sensors, then GPS, ESCs and telemetry. Integrated OSD, that is on-screen display, displays flight data in real time on FPV goggles or screen. Thank you.